Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to make a mold for this crash flow runner. Before continuing to your mold, you must have to know the following dimensions for your part. Click on Smart Dimensions and then select Reference Dimension. This face will be the parting line of your mold. First dimension from parting line to one end of the part is 10.5 mm and the another dimension from parting line to another side of the part is 35.4 mm. Remember these dimensions and open a new assembly. Now import the runner or your part into the assembly. Click on the arrow below the Insert Component button and select New Part. Select this face as reference and then press Ctrl+8 for normal to. Now draw a center point rectangle like this. Now click on Extruded Boss Base command from Features tab. The direction 1 will be 10 mm and the direction 2 will be 10.5 mm. Now press OK button and search for cavity in the Search tab. Now click on the runner and press OK. The first part of mold is ready. Click here to save and continue. Now again click on New Part from Insert Component to make the second part of the mold. For this time select this face of blade as reference for sketch. Now normal to by pressing Ctrl+8 and draw a center point rectangle same as the part 1 of mold. Now extrude it. Now direction 1 will be 10 mm and the direction 2 will be 35.4 mm. Now again select cavity command. As you can see, it is bit difficult to select the runner on this position, so select the runner from part list. Now click on the runner from here and hide it. From Configuration Manager, make a new exploded view. Click on this part and open it. Now draw two circles on this face, one for pouring material and the another for releasing air. Extrude cut them to make holes. Now go to assembly. Unhide the runner from here. Delete the old exploded view to make a new one. Now you can check how the mold has been modeled very simply. Thank you very much for sparing time. Please do subscribe to my channel for more.